Let us solve for x in this problem. 4 raised to power x is equal to 40. X is equal to what? We can find the logarithm of both sides. And apply log p raised to power n equals n log p to the left hand side. This will give us x log 4 is equal to log 40. And then we can divide through by log 4. X will be equal to log 40 divided by log 4. 40 can be expressed as 4 times 10. Therefore, x is equal to log 4 times 10 divided by log 4. And by law of logarithm, when you have the product of two numbers, it could be more a, b, c, like two or more numbers. You can express this as log a plus log b. If you have more numbers being multiplied together, you keep with the addition. So x is equal to log 4 plus log 10 divided by log 4. Let us separate the addition to give us log 4 divided by log 4. Then plus log 10 divided by log 4. This here gives us 1. And we have x is equal to 1 plus log 10 divided by log 4. Now, looking at log 4 and this 10, we can still break them into smaller components so that x is equal to 1. 10 can be written as 2 times 5. And log 4 can be written as 2 times 2, which is the same thing as saying 2 squared. This gives us x is equal to 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 divided by, this can be written as 2 log 2. And when we separate the addition, this gives us 1 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2, then plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. This here gives us 1 over 2, meaning x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2, and then this gives us 1 over 2 times log 5 divided by log 2. Let us add 1 and 1 over 2. This will give us 2 plus 1 plus 1 over 2 log 5 divided by log 2. So x is 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 divided by log 2. Then we apply the law of logarithm. Log a divided by log b is expressed as log a base b, giving us x is 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. This is our final answer for this problem. Now, let us check to see if this solution balances our given equation. We were given 4 raised to power x is equal to 40. And now we have x is 3 over 2 plus half log 5 base 2. So let us substitute 4 raised to power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 equal to 40. By indices, a raised to power m plus n is a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So we have 4 raised to power 3 over 2 times 4 raised to power 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 equal 40. The goal is to have the same value on both sides of the equation. 4 raised to power 3 over 2 can be written as 4 raised to power 1 over 2 raised to power 3. And then we have 4 raised to power 1 over 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 equals to 40. 4 raised to power 1 over 2 is the same thing as saying square root of 4, which is 2. So we have 2 raised to power 3 times the same thing, 2 then raised to power log 5 base 2 equals to 40. 2 raised to power 3 is 8, then 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 equals to 40. Let us apply this law of logarithm. A raised to power log m base a is always m, meaning this expression here would give us 5. And then we have 8 times 5 is equal to 40. 8 times 5 is 40, balancing the equation, meaning that our solution x is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 is correct. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.